guys, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of kids wear. Now I am standing in the kids wear section where we have maintained all kind of kids wear varieties from a born baby to 15 years baby girl and baby boy, both kind of varieties over here. And today's video will be dedicated on only baby girls collection. Yes, keep this thing in your mind. We have both kind of variety, baby girl and baby boy both. But in today's video I am just going to show you a collection of baby girls. So please keep watching this video. This is going to be the part 1 of kids wear. Let's move forward and let's see the first sample of our today's video. That is going to be this very tiny baby girl frock coming with this very pretty bottom. You can see here, this is the combination of this particular very decent frock. I want to show you the fabric. The quality of the fabric, that is very good. We are giving a best quality product to all of you. Again, let's move forward and you can see here, this is a very unique pattern here. Look, a very unique pattern with this bottom, and same way we have different kind of sizes, different kind of color varieties and patterns too. Again, I want to show you one more top. This is just going to be the top. If you want only bottom, you will get only bottom. If you want only top, you will get only top. Now this is the catalog where we have this only top with the long sleeves. If you want only jeans, that is also available. That is depend on the catalog. Let's move forward and let's see a bottom and top combination. This very tiny pant, you can see very cute thing we are getting here with a great quality of fabric. Yes, we are giving a great quality. Size is 22. You can see inside we have stitched it, that is 22 size number. And want to show you this top over here. Look, this is going to be the very pretty top, and the combination of top and bottom, that was very unique. I want to show you a quick look to both. Look, this was just a quick look of this top and bottom. Isn't this pretty, guys? Let's move forward and let's see again a pretty pattern. So it is very fashionable top, that is just a one piece. You can say this is a baby girl's one piece I am showing you with the off shoulder, and on this neck area there is a very fancy pretty pattern, and it is very decent piece we are providing you here with this along with this bottom. So very unique pattern we are providing you here. Let's move forward and let's see this next attractive design over here. That is going to be only frock. This is born baby frock. Born baby, we can't say born baby. This is for a 3 to 4 month baby girl. I want to show you this frock. This is the back side of this pretty frock. You can see here, very pretty. Same way, this is the top front side, and it is coming with the accessories, that is for a value addition, so that one a retailer can add a really good margin in it. Again, let's move forward to the only fancy top. So this is going to be a fancy top on a crepe fabric with a jacket. This is coming with a jacket, and isn't this very unique, guys? Very unique pattern with this bottom. You can see this is the bottom. Long pant we are providing you, so you have idea that how good margin you can add in this pretty pattern. Coming with the jacket, crepe fabric, and quality of the fabric, that is also very good. So it was very unique piece with a unique fabric. Let's move forward and let's see another decent pattern with the frock over here. So you can see this is a very pretty skirt. You can see it is on a georgette fabric, and this is off shoulder top I am providing you here. You can see this is the off shoulder top, and on the shoulder area you can see the straps are stretchable. So this is very comfortable for all kind of baby girls, and it will look really pretty on a baby girls too. Let's move forward and again one more pretty pattern. I want to let's keep this aside and let's see this next attractive design. You can see this is till tummy area. Look, isn't this very unique, guys? Look, important thing I want to tell you, that not single piece is available. You can only join us B2B. That means if you want to start your own business of clothes and want to keep this varieties at your place, only then you can join us. If you want any inquiry, you have any inquiry, want to know about product, want to know about Ajmera Fashion, how to purchase, what is the process of transportation, want to know anything, what you can do, you can direct contact us. Numbers are on screen. Just go there, call there, message there. Further information our online sales executive will provide you. Let's move forward and let's see another pretty variety over here. Look, you can see this is a very off shoulder top. You can see very unique pattern we are providing you. This is just a front side, and again I want to show you the back side of this piece. Look, this is the back side. Very unique and very decent. This is just a top. I want to show you the bottom as well. Wow, this is the bottom. You can see very unique on a satin fabric. The front fabric is a satin and it has a digital printing on it, so it was very unique piece. Let's move forward. Let's see the next pattern over here, and that is going to be this top. You can see this is going to be the top of this particular piece, and this is the skirt. You can see the checks pattern over here. We have done a checks kind of motif, and we have wide range of varieties here. अच्छा, कहाँ से आप से?
दरभंगा बिहार।
अच्छा, बिहार से। अच्छा, कब आए आप?
आज ही आए हैं।
अच्छा, आज मॉर्निंग में। तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर आके?
अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लग रहा है। कलेक्शन?
वो सब तो हो चुका है, सब ठीक लगा।
सब ठीक लगा?
सब अच्छा है।
और आपके साथ सेल्समैन कौन है?
वो है मेरे राजस्थान के सर है, कोई शर्मा सर है।
अतुल सर, अतुल सर। तो आप वीडियोस देखकर आए हैं?
हाँ, बराबर देखते थे।
अच्छा।
प्रीवियस 6 मंथ का वीडियो हम मतलब रेगुलर हम देख रहे थे।
ओके 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 ओके।
तो बात भी मेरा हो रहा था।
अच्छा।
तो आज हम फाइनली आज पहुँच गए।
ओके ओके, अच्छा लगा आपको आपसे मिलके। आप हमारे व्यूवर्स से बात करेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे। अजमेरा फैशन को मैं भी नहीं जानता था, बट मोबाइल पे वीडियो देखते देखते मोहित सर, अजय सर और वैष्णवी मैम का वीडियो देखते देखते लगा जो हाँ मिलेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे आए तो सेम रेट सेम प्राइस का मिला, क्वालिटी भी सेम है। तो आज मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो मैंने यहाँ से परचेजिंग किया हूँ। मिनिमम लाख रुपए के आसपास है मेरा परचेजिंग।
ओके।
हाँ,
ओके,
फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा। अगर सब कुछ सही रहा तो अपना रिपीट होते रहेगा, यहाँ कंटिन्यू रहेगा कम।
सर, एक छोटा सा मेरा सवाल है, क्योंकि आप वीडियोस देखकर आए हैं, तो आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि सूरत पे भरोसा करना चाहिए, अजमेरा फैशन पे करना चाहिए? आकर आपको यहाँ पर कैसा फील हो रहा है?
देखिए, मार्केट तो बहुत जगह है।
हाँ।
बहुत सारे प्लेस है इंडिया में, ठीक ना, लेकिन यहाँ पे आए तो जो दिखाई देता था वही यहाँ पे रियल में भी जो देखने को मिला, ठीक ना।
अच्छा।
और प्राइस, क्वांटिटी सब कुछ मैच कर रहा है, तो अच्छा लगा। अपना मार्केटिंग भी किए,
अच्छा लगा। आप सजेस्ट यही करना चाहेंगे
जो
कि
आप आए न्यू भी, कोई भी न्यू कमर्स है या न्यू स्टार्टअप को ओपनिंग कर रहे हैं, आप एक बार यहाँ विजिट प्लीज कीजिए।
ओके, थैंक्स फॉर योर टाइम। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। थैंक यू वेरी मच। So guys, I hope you could understand that what sir was saying. He was saying that he was watching our videos since 6 months and he was thinking that how we can join, he should come here or not. If you can understand Hindi, you will get to know what he was saying, but if you don't, I just want to translate that what they were saying. He was just saying that he was watching video from past 6 months and he really liked that collection, and I just asked him one question, that what will you suggest to our viewers that they should come here, or how will you suggest to them? So just he said that you should come here. Now he has just purchased about 1 lakh rupees. It is not compulsory to you just to purchase 1 lakh. If you want to start your business from home itself, you can just invest 25 to 30,000 in the starting, or else you want to start your business from a big scale, you want to trust Ajmera Fashion, you can just try. And you can see we were just making videos for all of you, and he was just randomly came and he said, I just want to talk to you. So that is the speciality of Ajmera Fashion. If you want to start your business, you can join Ajmera Fashion. For more details, want to know anything about, please direct contact us. So let's go forward and let's see some varieties what we were watching previously. Let's just keep this mic aside, and next pattern we are going to see this very different kind of piece over here. And look, this is coming with a very unique kind of work, and it has this very kind of brilliant kind of flares over here, and you can see this is the bottom of this particular piece. And let's move forward and let's see a party wear collection, like Indian kind of thing over here. Look, fabric is very good, quality of the fabric that is very brilliant and unique. Same way I want to show you this bottom over here. So this is the bottom. Isn't this very unique, very pretty? Quality of the product, that is, we are providing you one thing, that is quality. You will get everything in a lowest range, in a bestest quality. You have seen one example, randomly people are trusting on us. Till now we have worked with more than 50,000 retailers. They joined us and now they are doing their cloth business. So that is a speciality of this textile industry, this cloth business. And for Trust Ajmera Fashion, I thank to each and every that person who trusted Ajmera Fashion, and they are doing something in their life. So you can also be one of them, and you can also start your business with us. So want to see collection, want to know price about any product, direct contact us. We are not disclosing price in any video. Reason why we are not disclosing, that if we will disclose the price, that will be problem for you to add your margin. The only reason why we are not disclosing price. You want to know price, or else you have any inquiry, direct contact us. So we will tell you the exact price. We will give you all the guidance which is important to order online, which is important to do your business. So this was our video about kids wear baby girls collection. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.